Hello everyone. Good morning again. Financial modeling in Excel more important. For this reason, we need 10 Excel functions you should know. One is the most important function is SUMIFS. SUMIFS function adds all of its arguments that meet multiple criteria. For example, you would use SUMIFS in your financial model to sum up the sales of 1. A specific employee, 2. For a specific product, or many criteria. SUMIFS sum range, that is sales, criteria range 1, that is employee, criteria 1, that is team, criteria range 2, that is product, criteria 2, that is cherish. Know your ifs, that means COUNTIFS, AVERAGEIFs, and all other ifs too. After all, financial modeling is just a series of ifs that could happen in this world. Another one, IFERROR. Use IFERROR function to format your financial models. The functions checks for errors and return the value specified by the user if found. The function checks for the following error: not a value error, reference error, div error, number error, name error, or null error. To fixing the if error or error, we have to use IFERROR function, that is value if error. XIRR, internal rate of return metric, is needed to find out the annual growth rate of an investment. The higher the IRR, the better the investment, keeping all other factors the same, of course. IRR is good for comparing different investment opportunities. XIRR, cash flow values, date of cash flows. Function XIRR, values, date, and guess. Third, XNPV. Finance is money, and we all know that money today is worth more than tomorrow. Financial analysis oftentimes have to calculate the value of an investment company project in today's terms. XNPV, discounted rate, cash flow value, date of cash flow. Unlike IRR and NPV, XIRR and XNPV function allow for payments and irregular intervals. Fourth function, PMT. PMT function calculates the payment for a loan based on constant payments and a constant interest rate. You have to know the present loan value, number of periods, and the interest rate. PMT or PPMT and IPMT function are needed to figure out annuity loan repayment, that is mortgage. Function PMT, interest rate, number of periods, present value. Next function of finance modeling is slope. If you are into investment banking, at some point you will have to calculate the beta of a stock, which means volatility. By using the slope function in Excel, you will find it easily by using the return of the stock and the comparative benchmark index. Slope, percentage of equity change range, percentage range of change is change of index. A heavy weighted function to search some value, that is XLOOKUP. Lookup functions are a must to know for any modeler. They are used to quickly and easily find data in a table. For example, to find the amount sold by an employee, ID number, and thousands of other things. XLOOKUP. What do you want to look up? Where can it be found? What do you want to return? Another important function is index and match. Sometimes XLOOKUP wants to do the job as it can only compare one array with another one. Index and match function combination can look up value in the whole table. It's two-dimensional. One index, what you want to return. Second, match, what are you looking for? Where can it be found? Another one is month. Month function finds the last day of the month after you added a specific number of months to a date. It's useful for calculating maturity date or due date that fall on the last day of the month. It also aids in setting up your financial model. Like month, like date, your year. Sequence, the another most important function. The sequence function allows you to generate a list of sequential numbers in an array. Sequence function works great if you need to generate a list of 10,000 numbers in a column. That is sequence function. Number of rows you want to generate, number of columns you want to generate, starting point step. Thank you for today.